Hello, hello.
Main menu. Vertical menu with 6 items. Select the continue button. Press enter to activate. Press F1 for more information. Options. Options. Vertical menu with 20. Accessibility. Narrate 9. 1. 5. Options. Vertical main menu. Arcade button. Arcade. Press left and right to select the track. Press up and down to change the difficulty. Press F1 for more information. Wax and wait when you're Richard Height. Cellphane. Medium vivid trace options. Press F4. Loading track.
Now I have 1 viewers. I had 4. I don't know how this works.
Pause menu. Song editor. Difficulty.
Actually, wait, I should edit this in
Main menu.
mission
Mission
list.
selected. Return. Power. Payment. Not. The daily grind. Test mission 1. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions above below. Test mission. Mission difficulty change. Challenge. Test mission 4. Test mission. Test mission. Test mission. Test mission 3. Test mission 3. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. Test mission. Test mission. Test mission. Test mission 3. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions above the right. Test mission 2. Test mission 1. Gold 4. Gold medal and test mission.
18, 9.
Gold medal and bonus test mission 1.
Let's see.
Gold medal and bonus. More simple. Welcome to payment map. New girl.
These are all 20 something.
Test mission 4. Gold medal. Test mission. Test mission. Test mission 1. Test mission 2. Gold medal. Test mission 3. Gold medal and bonus objective. Test mission 2. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions above below to the left. Loading
Be a bit
mission.
easier.
Mission. Mission objective. Hit notes with 92% accuracy. Download. Song editor. 0. Difficulty. 24.055. Channel 1 chords dot. -1 and 3/4. -1. Editor exited.
I don't know if I like this.
Pause menu. 118% speed.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Song editor. Track editor.
This keeps getting off. I will that some other time. Maybe this is fun.
Editor.
I like it, whatever. I don't
Pause
have cues on.
Mission selection. Vertical missions. Upgrades. Game settings menu. Vertical game mode. Audible fuse. Audible fuse. Mission selection. Vertical missions. Challenge difficulty. Loading mission. Boost is disabled for this mission. Mission objective. Hit notes with 92% accuracy. Pause net. 0. -1 and 3/4. 7. Difficulty. 24.0551. 0.
Let's see.
-1 and 3/4. 2.5. 2 and 1. 2.
This is fine.
0. Editor exited. Song editor. 17.5.
Fine.
Editor exited. Pause net. 54 and 3/4. 50 and 3/4.
I can't remember. Am I making this easier or harder?
50 and
I
1.
think I'm making it a little bit
40,
easier.
44 and 3/4. 49. Channel 2 drum stop. Deleted.
Excuse me.
Deleted. 41. 51. Deleted. 55. Deleted. 50, 50, 57. Deleted. 50, 58 and 59. Deleted.
Oh, I should tweet.
50,
That's
50,
what I should do. This is already down to
Save.
almost where I want it. Okay. I will do a tweet. Da-da-da. Tweet. Hello. Tweeted. Tweet has been did.
39. 30. Editor exited. Song
Where?
30,
What?
29,
Oh.
30, 37, 45. 40. 30.
Do I want?
25.
Yes. I want all of it.
Song at 36 and a half. 32 and a half. 36 and a half. 30, 30, 36. Channel 2 drums dot. Channel 0 bass line dot.
Oh.
Delete. Channel 2 drums dot. 30, 37 and a half. Deleted. 38. 37 and a half. 37. 36.
Oh, come on.
37 and a half.
Cooperate.
Deleted.
What is going on here?
Deleted. 37 and a half.
Oh, because I'm in. Okay.
Save. 34.
I'm in audio mode.
30. Editor exited. Pause menu. Song at 40.
Why are you like this?
Channel 1 chords dot. Channel 0 bass line dot. 39 and a half. 30. 30. 30. 35. Editor exited. Cosmic song at 59 and a half.
Fantastic. So we're at. This is
6,
fine.
71 and a half. 100 and 127 and
Why
a half.
is this part hard?
127 editor exited. Cosmic 100 and 127 editor exited. Cosmic song editor 135 and a half deleted. Difficult 127 and a half. Editor exited. Cosmic song editor 100 deleted. Editor exited. Cosmic song editor 100 and deleted. Editor exited. Cosmic song editor. Difficult.
Fantastic.
100
Alright.
editor exited. Cosmic 146.
Yeah, I don't like that little note right there.
Editor exited. Cosmic song at 100 and 150 deleted. Editor exited. Cosmic song at 150 deleted. Difficult 150 editor exited. Cosmic song editor.
Where are we at?
3.47.
23.4. I think that's exactly what I want for this track. Why is this section so hard? This one gets harder all of a sudden.
Cosmic
I
song at
hate
100,
this right here.
191. Channel 2 drums.
I don't like it.
Difficult.
Fantastic.
100 editor exited. Cosmic
Oop.
song at 200.
Let's see. This part's
201. Channel
fucked
4.
up.
Channel 0 bass line dot deleted. 200 deleted. 201 fourth. 199 and 3 fourths. 200 deleted. 200 deleted. 202 and a half deleted. Difficult. 198 and a half editor exited. Cosmic.
Nope.
202 and 1 editor exited. Cosmic song editor. 207 and 1 fourth. 207.
What is
200
this?
200
Oh, okay,
200
okay.
212. 201.
Huh? Alright.
199. Cosmic 203 and 3 fourths. 204. Editor exited. Song at 203 and 3 fourths. Channel 4 transition 13
What is that?
Transition 13-49.og.
What on earth?
Channel 2 drums.og.
Oh, I see. It's supposed to be a. Oops.
Muted up, muted, unmuted, unmuted off.
Stop. Okay.
Deleted.
Oh.
199 and 3 fourths. Editor exited. Bronze medal. Pause menu. Song at 200 deleted. 215 and a half. Deleted. 204 deleted. 213 and a half. 204 210 and a half. 200 editor exited. Gold medal. Cosmic song editor. Song at 216 and 1 fourth. Deleted. 215 and 3 fourths. 218. 217 and 3 fourths. Deleted. 218 and 1 fourth. Deleted. 200 editor exited. Cosmic song at 220 deleted.
Fine.
Channel 2 drums.og. 200 editor exited. Cosmic song at 220 220 219 and 3 fourths. Editor exited. Cosmic song at 208 208
No,
286.
I don't like that.
280 editor exited. Cosmic
What?
287 287 and a half. 287.
Oh, I don't like any of that.
288. 287 and a half. 200.
Okay.
283 and 3 fourths. 200 editor exited. Cosmic song editor. 300 and 293. 289. 280.
Let's
280.
see.
290. 200. 293. 295. 1 half. 200. 297. 299. 300. 305. 309. 300. 311. 315. Difficult. Save. Editor exit. Song editor. 300. 300.
No, do this.
300. Selected. Save.
There, I'm happy with that.
0.
I don't know if anyone's here. I got 3 viewers. I never know what that means because one of them or 2 of them
Minus
is
1
me.
half.
I don't know.
Editor exited.
Makai 5, waving hand sign.
Hello.
Pause menu. 173% speed.
I'm just working on like medium and hard stuff, trying to get it more
Save.
polished. You can see that I've done some stuff on a little bit more work on graphics. Just getting things to like draw in the right order. The cars are actually on top of
Pause menu. 173%
things instead of under. So that's a lot better. I think I'm
176%
good with
speed.
this one for now. I can't listen to a track for more than a minute at a time. That's fully 70% done. I just bump it up 5% each time. Next,
Mission selection. Test mission 1. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions. Test mission 3. Gold medal. Test mission
oh, it's 23 now.
Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions above to the right. Loading mission. Mission objective.
I'm just going over these and seeing how I like them. I think I've done like a first pass of just a lot of copy and paste.
Done.
So I gotta like,
Makai 5, yeah, measuring progress for these things is always a little weird.
yeah, I kind of developed a little strategy.
Fourth place. Fifth place. Fourth place. Third place. Second place.
I don't know how I feel about this extended slowdown. It's kind of unique and interesting. Actually, one thing I want to do here.
104 and a half. 104.
That's the right one, right?
106. 107 and a half. 108. Save. 100 and editor exit. Third place. Fourth place. Pause menu.
Nope.
114 and a half. 100 and 114. 116. 100 and 100 and
Does this look that's fine?
118. Alright. Save. 114. 100 and editor exit. Fifth place.
Racing is definitely interesting in like a slow section. Everything is like
Sixth place.
weirdly sluggish feeling.
Power max.
Makes it feel hard to get ahead. And then you like see I'm flying off the track just because like it just feels weird. Now, I haven't been looking at this very critically. Oh yeah,
185 and a half.
I think I basically just copy pasted the rest of this entire thing. So I should,
100 editor exit.
instead of just playing, I should actually look at what
Makai
I've got
5,
here.
yeah, I like this word effect, but the ship goes a little too far off track.
Yeah,
Pause menu. Sixth place 173% speed.
I kind of want to redo like the steering stat. I kind of, it's actually, well, number one, it's overpowered right now, so it should be less powerful. But I kind of want to make it just keep you in the middle of the track more. So if you have like 5 points in cornering, I mean, you won't do that, but with 0 points, you'll fly off. And I think that will be actually a little more interesting.
Song editor.
Okay, here's where I start to copy paste. Is this
224.
what can I do instead, huh?
220.
Add some of these.
227.
Mukai 5. Whoa, I like the camera rolls in this section.
200 deleted.
Yeah, I think they're pretty cool.
230 deleted. Difficult. 200
I'm quite happy with this track. It's a simple track. It's good for racing.
Augment. 200
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
220 deleted. Save. 200 and editor exit. Augment. 238. 239.
Do something interesting here.
200 hold duration 239. 200 editor exit. Augment. Song at 204. Deleted. 200 hold duration 237 and save. 200 editor exit. Augment. Song at 200 deleted. 240 hold duration 1.5.
Is that good?
240. Deleted. 233 and a half. Editor exit. Augment. Song
Let me show you the new stuff.
World editor.
So I've spent time on the track customization stuff. This track is just black right now. I don't like this skybox right now. I don't like all the brown. I kind of just want to get rid of it. Anyway, on this.
Geometric track middle 1 button. Press enter to activate.
Oh, that's the menu talking.
Geometric track size 1 button. Geometric track left. Material.
So I added a bunch of new materials.
Last button.
So there's like a glass material. What did I just change?
Components menu.
Okay.
Vertical menu with 3 items. Selected geometric track lab 1 selected button.
Can I
Press
see
enter
it?
to
It's I need to fix this so you can actually see what you're doing in the
activate. Editor exited.
editor. But there, so I changed that part to a glass texture. I wish I could.
Pause menu. Second place 181% speed.
So that's kind of cool. And then now you can also.
World editor. Material. Environment. Color. Color menu. Components menu. Geometric track middle 1 button. Press enter to activate.
Like on this middle part, you can do hidden,
Press enter to activate.
and that gets rid of it. And so this is a really cool effect, I think. For some reason I get stuck. Okay.
Editor exited.
Why did the notes disappear?
Autoplay on.
So now that's using
Track editor.
a glass for the middle part, and then just matte for the sides.
Material menu. Components menu.
And let's see.
Geometric material.
There's also
Material.
like
Mirror button. Press enter to activate.
mirror, so like a mirrored texture, which
Pause
is
menu.
cool.
Replace 1 track editor. World environment. Material menu. Flat last button. Flat matte button. Matte.
And I want to add a few more, but if I don't know if I'll have
Press enter to
time.
activate. Last button. Flat matte button.
I'll just make
Press
that
enter to activate.
flat matte. That's fine.
Save.
Where was I?
Replace 100% speed. Song editor. Editor. Song at -4. Difficult. 8. 12. 16.
I wonder if this part is too. It's not too hard. I don't care.
100. 100. Editor exit. Pause menu.
Nope.
220. Editor exit. Pause menu. Song editor. 200.
Have I done this already?
242. Deleted.
Yeah.
Deleted. 240. 240. 200. Deleted.
Mukai 5. Cool idea. Lets me squeeze more interesting visuals out of just a few models.
Save.
Yeah, that was the goal because doing 3D art takes forever. What I'm hoping to do next week is to finish all of the 3D art that I'm gonna add to the expansion, and so I'm see how much I can do in just a week, and then that's it. I'm not like we'll see what I get done. I don't know.
200. Editor exit. Autoplay off. Autoplay off. Power max. Pause Cosmic song editor. Channel 3. Channel 5 deleted. 261 and a half. Delete 200 deleted. 263 and a half. Deleted. 260. Channel 2 drums. 206. 250. Editor exit.
And I need to fix like the
75% speed.
like what's happening here with wow. I can't see. Anyway, it doesn't look right. I need to fix it by adding more vertexes to like the model. Needs to just be a little bit nicer. You can see all kinds of weird issues right now.
Cosmic song editor.
So I will get to him sometime.
265 and 1/4. 200 editor exit. Cosmic song editor. 270.
Instead of this guy.
Channel 3. Channel 4 pianos in dot deleted. 273 and a half. Deleted. Undo
Oops.
delete notes.
Oh,
Hold duration 1 and a half.
I sure like being able to undo.
Hold duration 1 and a half. 269 and a half. 200 editor exit. Cosmic song editor. Channel 6. Channel 2 drums dot width deleted. 200 deleted. 270. 276. 260 editor exit. Power max. Cosmic song edit 282 and 3/4. Channel 3 main arc dot width 282 and a half.
This sounds
280.
fun. Let's do this.
280 editor exit. Cosmic song editor 284 and a half. 200 editor exit. Cosmic song edit 200
These on the hill. We don't need all that. Oh, that's not much of a hill. Oh, I hate that now.
276 and a half. 200 editor exit. Cosmic song editor 200.
Yeah, I don't like that down.
Cosmic 209 deleted. Editor exit. Cosmic song editor. Critical. Save. 295 and a half. Editor exit. Song edit 290. Editor exit. Cosmic 300. 300 and 303 and 295 and 7 200 and 301 200 300. Channel 2 drums stop 290 editor exit. Cosmic song edit 303 and a half. 304. Deleted. 300
No.
304. 305 and a half. Deleted. Hold duration 1 and a half. 306 and a half. 304.
Sure, why not? Oops.
303. Hold duration 306. 307. 305 and a half.
Oh my gosh. Tricky. Alright.
306 and a half. 300 editor exit. Pause menu. 6 place 1 song editor. 305. Song editor. 300
Stop.
305 and a half. Save. 300 editor exit.
I don't want to do this on
393 and a
this
half. 305 and a half.
turn now.
300 and deleted.
That doesn't look good.
300 and editor exit. Pause song at 302.
Well, maybe if I start here
300
on the straightaway.
Channel 4 piano synth dot wave.
Yeah, this is better.
300 and hold duration 2.
Let's see. Wrong.
Undo edit note.
Wrong. I cannot think straight. What am I doing? No, that's correct. I just have to...
304 and a half. 305 and a half. 301 and a half. 305 and a half. Hold duration 3 and a half.
Incorrect.
Limit. Hold duration 1 and a half.
I'm like confusing
300
myself.
editor exit. Cosmic song editor. 311 and a half. 312. 304. 300 and editor exit. Song editor. Editor exit. Song edit 310. 306. Editor exit. Pause. 306. 306. 306. 306.
Again.
300. 306. 300. 300. 308. 309. 300 and deleted. Deleted. 307. Editor exit. Pause. Song editor.
Okay.
Save.
Quite happy with that. I'll call it 75% done.
Editor exit. Mission selection. Group of missions. Challenge. Test mission 3. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions below to the left and right. Loading mission. Mission objective. Finish in first place. Done. Autoplay on. World editor.
And this one, I don't know if I like this big terrain thing. I kind of want to break it up into smaller pieces that you can use more flexibly. And obviously it needs to be textured. Oh, one thing I added is that you can define your own settings for which models auto-populate. So I
Environment menu. Vertical menu with
created a new
geometric
environment that populates just with clouds.
Editor exit. Pause.
Okay, what does this one look like?
20.8799. Editor exit. Second place. First place. Power max. Second place. Third place. Fourth place. Fifth place. Sixth place. Pause menu. Song editor. 139 and a half. Channel 1 base.org.
I don't know if I like.
135 and a half. Editor exit. Pause menu. Song editor. 139 and a half.
Actually, how difficult is this? I think this has to be a lot harder.
Editor exit. Restart. Mission selection. Test mission 3. Test mission.
Oh yeah, it does.
Bonus objective. Test mission 2. Gold medal. Test mission 3. Gold medal and bonus objective.
I don't think these numbers refresh, do they?
Test mission 3. Gold medal and bonus objective. Right. Loading mission. Mission objective.
Yeah,
Mission
I gotta
first
make
place.
this harder
Downloaded. Press enter. Song editor. -5.
in general.
40, 50, 59, 60,
Well, it has all
70,
these
90,
slow
100,
parts.
135. 130,
But
137 and a half.
what I need to do
139 and a half. Editor exit.
Oh, I already did some.
Okay. 160. Channel 3 perk. Channel 1 base.org. Channel 2. Channel 3 perk.org. Save. 160. Channel 1 base.org. 160. 163 and 13 16. Difficult. Save. Save. 100. Editor exit. Augment. Song editor.
Ugh.
Delete 163 and a half. Editor exit. Augment. Song edit. 166. 165 and a half. 166 and a half. 167. 163 and a half. Save. 100. Editor exit. Augment. Song editor.
Now, how do I do this without just repeating everything?
169 and a half. Channel 3 perk.org.
No.
100.
Well,
160.
let's do
Channel 1
this.
base. Channel 5 dot 160. 170. 1 delete. 170. 100 delete. 171 and a half. Channel 1 base.org. 171 and 13 16. 170. 172 and 13 16. 173 and 5 16. 1/4. 1/2. Deleted. 100 deleted. 100 deleted. 173 and a half. 100 100 107 170 170 1 half. 170 175 and a half. Editor exited. 179 and a half. 107 deleted. 175 and 13 sixteenths. Editor exited. Cosmic song editor. 100 and 100 editor exited. Cosmic song edit 180 187. 180 deleted. 190 deleted. 180 188 and 13 sixteenths. Difficult. 108 187 and 13 sixteenths. Horizontal menu with file menu. Vertical menu with open track folder.
Ah, I'm in the menu.
Edit menu 187 and a half. 183 and a half.
Go down.
Editor exit. Cosmic song edit.
Did I want that over there?
180
Maybe.
and a half. Difficult.
It's a little awkward.
189 and a half. 100 exited. Song 100 and 100 deleted. 100 and 1 deleted. 100 deleted. Difficulty 21.151. Editor exit.
Fantastic. All right.
Cosmic song 187 and a half. Editor exit. Cosmic song 195. Channel 5 kick. 196. Channel 3 perk.og. Channel 1 base.og. 195 and 13 sixteenths. 196 and 13 sixteenths. 197 and a half. 198. 196 and a half. 100 editor exited. Cosmic 197 196 109 delete.
I think I just won't have any of this.
100 197 delete 109 channel 190 190 1 editor exit. Cosmic song editor. Difficult. Save. 220. Channel 2 melodies. Channel 3 perk. Channel 2 melodies. Channel 2 melodies. 220. 221 and a half. 222. 222 and a half. 222. 208. Editor exited. Cosmic.
No,
221
don't like
and a
it.
half. 220. 218 and a half. Editor exited. Cosmic song editor. 228 and 13 sixteenths. 229 and a half. 227 and a half. Save. Editor exited. Cosmic song editor. 200 channel 3 perk. Channel 3 perk.og. 246 240 240 244. Editor exited. Cosmic song editor. 260 263 and a half. Difficult. 200 and editor exited. Cosmic song edit 293 and a half. 293. 290 290 290 290 200 291. Editor exited. Cosmic song editor.
All right. Here's more copy paste.
Difficult. Save.
This needs to be so much harder. Maybe it doesn't matter. I don't need to worry about the difficulty.
297 and a half. 301 and a half. Editor exited. Cosmic song editor. 300 and
I need to
channel
just
5 deleted.
mix stuff up a lot more.
303 and a half. Editor exited. Cosmic 308. Deleted. 300 and deleted. 310. Deleted. 308 deleted. 307.
Oh, this is spinning
300
section.
Editor exit. Cosmic song editor. Channel 2 melodies.og. Horizontal menu with view. Exited menu. Editor exited.
Ah.
Song editor. Channel 1 base. Channel 2 melodies. Channel 1 base. 307 and a half. 307. Editor exited. Cosmic song editor.
Ooh, we can't see those.
307 and a half. 307.
Scoot them over.
311 and 3/4 to 307 and 3/4. 3 editor exited. Cosmic song editor. 310 and a half. 311. Deleted. 300 editor exited. Cosmic song editor.
No, scoot them over more.
307 and a half. 303 and a half. Editor exited. Cosmic song editor. 316. Channel deleted. 300 deleted. 318 deleted. 309 deleted. 315. Editor exit. Cosmic song editor. Channel 5 kicked off. Editor exit. Cosmic song editor. 326. 327. 323. Editor exit.
Is that hard to read?
Cosmic song edit.
Maybe.
300. Channel 3 perk dot. Channel 1 base dot off. 326. 325. 321. 317. Editor exit. Cosmic song editor. 300. Editor exit. Cosmic song editor. Channel 5 kick dot deleted. 332. Channel 1 base dot off. Difficult. 21.748. Editor exit. Cosmic song editor. 336. Difficulty.
The whole end of this should be
340.
redone.
368. 332. 320. Editor exit. Cosmic song editor. Channel 1 base dot. 338. 337 and 338. 339. 330. Editor exited. Cosmic song. 339 and a half. Muted others. 300. Editor exited. Cosmic song. 304. Unmuted all. 339 and 13/16.
Got that there.
304. 341 and a half. 340. 304. 339 and 13/16. 304. 304. 342 and a half. 343. 339 and a half.
What am I?
330. 300. Editor exited. Song 340, 304, 336. Channel 3 perk dot og. Difficulty 21.0203. Saved. View. Exit event. Channel
Okay.
337. 330. 339. 335. 330. Editor exit. Cosmic song editor.
This really is
339 and a half. 339 and a half. 339 and 340 and 13.
okay. It's like the same exact pattern as what I've already done.
340 and 116. 336
Oh, well.
and 116. Editor exit. Cosmic song editor. 304. 336. 3 copy 16 note. Paste 350. 340.
Copy, paste, reverse.
Cosmic song editor. 336. 300. Pasted 32 note. Editor exit. Cosmic song 356.
Add
Channel
some
5
of
dot.
these.
357. Difficult. 350. Editor exited. Cosmic 300 and channel 2 melodies dot on.
Throw this one onto that side.
Cosmic 364. Channel 3 perk dot. Channel 5 perk dot og. 365. Editor exited. Cosmic song 300. Channel 2 melodies dot og. Difficult. 300. Channel 0 back.
Let's
Channel
see.
3 perk dot.
Should I
Channel
put
1
in?
base dot og. Difficult.
Yeah.
340. 324. Save. Editor exited.
I think this is pretty darn good.
Cosmic song editor.
Anyway, I'm happy with that. Let's see. Peak.
Editor exit. Mission selection. Missions. Challenge. Test mission 2. Test mission 1. Gold medal and bonus 4. Test mission 1. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions above below to the left to the right. Loading mission. Boost is disabled for this mission. Mission objective. Miss fewer than 22 notes.
Ugh. This one is going to be the lanes tutorial. And there's going to be some dialogue here. Telling him what to do. Well,
135% song editor.
there's no lanes in here. Do I want to mess with this right now?
19.4606.
Kind of don't, because editing those is tedious.
15 and a half.
Maybe I'll just look at the whole thing as a whole.
Editor exit.
What have I called this one?
164% speed.
Peak, medium, no, this one is the... This is not nearly done. I'm gonna call it 50% done. I don't want to look at it right now.
Mission selection. Grid of missions. Challenge difficulty. Selected test mission 1. Gold medal and bonus objective. Test Test mission 3. Gold test mission 3. Gold medal and test mission 3. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. Mission difficulty changed to multiple.
Is this real? This one's not great. Oops.
Loading mission.
Wrong difficulty.
Pause menu. Quit. Mission selection. Mission difficulty changed to challenge. Loading mission. Mission objective. Third place. Second place. Third place. Fourth place. Sixth place.
Why am I missing those holds? I swear there's a bug. For some reason, I just don't like any of that. I don't like a lot of this, but do I have the energy to fix it right now? Yeah, this is copy pasted from here.
65% speed.
Oh, I don't know why it did. That one's just so hard to work on. Well, that's why it's only 55% done. I should look at hard stuff. That's funner. What I'm gonna do with these, like I said, I'm gonna give myself a week, do all the 3D art, and then I'd like to spend a week finishing all the tracks, which I can do after I actually have the 3D art. I can finish all the tracks, and then just grind through all of this and getting all of this to like 100%. I have to finish the tracks first because I need to insert cool places for lanes back and forth, some sharp turns and things. And then I can really finish all of the note patterns. So there's a whole process to it. Actually, what have we got?
Test mission 3. Test mission 1. 4. Test mission 1. Mission difficulty changed to multiple. Loading mission.
Okay, I think I'm actually quite happy with
Miss fewer than 22 notes.
this one. This is like the tutorial for lanes on the hardest difficulty. I think I've done a lot of work on this one. And the challenge is making it so it's not boring for people who are already good at the game. You know what?
69, 65, 60, 57, 50, 61 and a half, 65 and a half, 61 and a half, 73 and a half, 70, 76, 76 and a half, 76, channel 0 arp.og, 77, 76 and a half, 77, 77 and a half, 70, 78 and a half, 79, 79 and a half, 75 and a half, 71 and a half, channel 1 base 1 dot.
I love how the camera is completely sideways, just for
channel 4 drum 1 dot.
some fucking reason.
Channel 6, 6,
That's what I like.
72.
I'm gonna put
72 and a half, 70, 70, 70, 76, 75 and a half, 1, 75 and 3/4, 71 and 3/4,
there. That's
59 and
better.
3/4, 50, editor exit. Autoplay off.
And some of these don't work yet. I don't know why. Ooh. Actually,
101 and 1/4.
I'm pretty sure it copy pasted heavily from this point on. So let's fix it.
Editor exit. Song 100 and 100, editor exit. 100, 101 and a half. Channel 5 drum 2 dot. Channel 4 drum 1 dot.
Is that fun? Can I do that? I kind of don't want to do that at all.
Editor exit. 103. 100 editor exit. Song
No.
100, 103. 100 editor exit.
Mukai 5. Looks just fine for Elaine's tutorial. The level doesn't have to focus on difficulty emo.
Save.
No, well it is the ultra mode 1, and so anybody playing on ultra probably doesn't want to just play a boring tutorial. And probably kind of gets it right away and it's like, oh okay, what's next, you know?
Restart. Song editor. 100,
So
108 and a half.
that's why I'm trying to make this one just be fun. I don't want people
100 and a half. 108 and a half.
who are already good at the game to be like, oh, this is boring.
Editor exit.
And anyways,
171% speed.
there's, you know, standard and challenge are much easier. So whatever.
Pause menu. 171% speed. Pause song editor.
I copied and pasted this so much, and it's almost like daunting to go in and like fix it. I almost like don't want to.
108. 104.
I've been, oh okay, not quite an hour. I'm gonna look at my phone instead. Okay. Oh, I might as well just
196.
do
100.
some stuff to
99
this.
and 3/4. Editor exit. Pause 110 and a half. 111. 111. Channel 7
Let's
simply do
see.
not on. Deleted.
Oops.
Channel
Delete
Channel
everything.
7 simply do not. 100 and deleted. 111 and 100. Hold duration 3. 111 and 7. 100 and deleted.
What am I doing?
Editor exit. Pause song edit.
Nope.
Undo edit mode.
Yeah, I can undo.
Undo edit hold duration. Undo edit hold duration. Undo edit mode. Undo delete notes. 100 and editor exit. Song edit.
There we go.
Channel 6 deleted. 100 and 112 and 3. 100 deleted. 100 112 hold 100 and deleted. 100 deleted. Hold duration 1/4. 100
Wait.
deleted. Hold duration 100 deleted. Hold duration 1/4. 104 113 114. Hold duration 110. Editor exit. Pause song editor. 115. Channel 4 drum 1 dot 115 and 1/4. Deleted. 111 and 1/4. Editor exit.
Is that awkward?
Pause menu. Song editor.
Not really.
114 and 1/4. Editor exit. Pause menu. Song edit. 117 and a half.
I don't like
Channel
this.
4 drum 1
So
dot 117.
get rid of that.
Editor exit. Pause menu. Song edit. 119.
Yeah.
Channel 5. Channel 4 drum 1 dot. Channel 7 119 and 1/4.
What
109.
is?
Channel 4 drum 1 dot.
Why is that on the drums channel? That makes no sense. That's fine.
109. 109. 100. Hold duration 1/2.
Let's do some of this.
100 and hold duration 1/2. Channel 4 drum 1 dot. 100 and 100 and channel
Move
7
to
track it, edit move notes to current channel button.
current
Editor
channel.
exit.
Oops.
Song edit 117 and 7 editor exit. Pause net song edit 120. Save. One 120 and hold duration 1.
Nope.
Edit hold duration 9 and
Nope.
hold duration 1/2. 120. 120 and a half. 120. Deleted. Hold duration 117. Save. Editor exit. Song editor. 100 deleted. 1 deleted. 1 deleted. 100 hold 100 hold 120.
Dingster, lol. This sounds so cool.
Save.
Hello, Dingster.
100 and hold editor exit. Pause net song editor 120 100 100 and 100 deleted 100 hold duration 1/2. 119 and 3/4. Save. Editor exit. Pause net song editor. 100 109 120 editor exit. Song edit 123 and a half. 123 and 1/4. 100 and 100 111 and 1/4. 100 103 and 1/4. 99 and 1/4. 95 and 1/4. 91 and 1 83 and 1/4.
Last time this was on the other side. I can reverse it.
143 and 1 151 and 1/4.
Actually, I know what I'll do.
147
I just
and
lost my place.
120 editor exit. Song edit 104 and 1/4. 108 and 1/4.
What have I done? Oh.
120 and 1/4. 100 and editor exit. Pause net. Song edit 100.
I know what to do.
Channel 6.
First of all, this is all on the wrong
100
channel.
100 and
All of this is.
129 and 5/8. Track it. Edit. Edit. Move notes to current channel button. Press enter to activate. Editor exited. Song edit 125. Editor exited. Song edit 121 and 5/8. 120. 100. 1/4.
Nope. 2 will be like this.
125. 120. 125 and 124 and a half. 100 120. 100. Hold duration 1. 100. Editor exit. Pause net. Song edit 126 and 1/4. Horizontal menu with 8 items. Selected. Exited menu. 120. 100. 127. 100. Hold duration 1/2. 126 and 1. 126.
Fun.
121. Editor exit. Pause net. Song editor. 127 and a half. Deleted. 120. 120. Editor exit. Pause net. Song edit. 120. Deleted. 100. Deleted. 100 and deleted. 100. Editor exit. Pause net. Song editor. Deleted. Channel 7 simply do.og. 100. 100. 120. 100 and 129 and 129 and 3/4. 100 and 1. Hold duration 1/2. 126 and 1. Editor exit. Pause net. Song editor.
Can get rid of that. I don't need that.
Difficulty. Editor exit. Pause net. 135. Deleted. 130. Deleted. Hold duration 1/2. 130. 130. Editor exit. Pause net. Song net. 137. 136 and a half.
I think I'm getting through it. I think I'm making progress.
137. 100. Editor exit. Pause net. Song editor. Difficult. 137.
Sure.
100. Editor exit. Pause net. Song editor. 140 and a half. 140.
This keeps happening. Alright, let me copy and paste the other one.
144 to 100 140. Deleted.
Copy it,
100
paste it, reverse it.
120. 132 to 120. Copy 20.
That's how you make a game.
130. 1/2. Paste it 20. 144 to 100. 100. 147.
Which is already here.
140. 100.
What have I done?
Pause menu.
Oh, I
Select
love
140
that.
and a half.
It's everywhere.
140 and 3/4. Channel 7 simply do not on. 100, 100, 141 and a half. 142 and 1/4. 138 and 1/4. Editor.
Bum.
Pause menu. Song editor. 140 deleted. 100 deleted. 100 editor exited. Pause menu. Song 100 deleted. 100 hold duration 100 editor exited. Song 146. 100 delete 146 and a half. 100 hold 100 editor exited. Pause menu. Song 100
Of course, this is here, so I can put a little
140 deleted 147 and a half. Hold duration 1/2.
lane here.
143 and a half. 100
So let's do it.
Pause menu. 147 editor exited. Song 147 and a half. 143 and 3/4 editor exited. Pause menu. 104
That is not.
147 and a half. 104 channel 7 140 146 and 140 147 and 3/4 140 hold duration 140.
Does that work?
Pause menu. Song 100 150 151 and 3/4 100 editor exited. Pause menu. Song editor 156 and 3/4. Save.
I'm almost there. See, I have that much patience to work on one track, and then like I have to move on. That's pretty good. Why did I call that 50% done? That's fully like. That is 63% done. I think that's quite good.
100
There's other stuff at the end.
100 editor exited.
Oh yeah, the end of this isn't done at all.
Look, high five. I know how that feels, lol. Sometimes I'll change like 2 notes and then quit.
Yeah, but at least you did something. And of course, this last part of the track, I want to put a bunch of
Pause menu. 174% speed.
sharp turns, I think. Not today,
Pause menu. Restart.
not this second. So,
Mission selection. Grid missions. Alter difficulty. Selected test mission 1. Gold medal and bonus objective complete.
remember Sailor Medium.
Press F1 for test
Where
mission.
is that?
Test mission. Mission difficulty change and challenge. Loading mission. Boost is disabled for this mission. Mission objective. Hit notes with 92% accuracy.
These mission objectives are all placeholders, by the way. I'm gonna do something funky in this track. Did I already work on this one today? I don't remember. Right here,
Pause menu.
I'm going to put track on both the top and the bottom, and I'm gonna make it so you can author like should the notes appear on the ceiling or on the floor. So some of the notes are gonna be like on the ceiling here, so that's gonna be cool. I think it's gonna work out
Song editor.
pretty good.
80 and a half.
I'm only gonna do it in
80 and a half.
2 places in this track.
Editor exited.
Look, high five. Oh geez, that would be mind bending.
Yep. It's a little hard to read because everything's so squished. Obviously, this is not. Yeah. I think it's gonna be so cool. Like, imagine right here,
And 74% speed.
I have the two zigzags, one on each side, but imagine if one was on the top and the other was on the bottom, and they're both going in opposite directions. That'd be really cool. So that's what I'm gonna do here. Instead of missing. You know what, I already updated this one today. Anyway, but I did want to show that to you. Bit hard to see with the bright blue track,
I
but
often experiment with that whenever the feature is done.
maybe Monday if I get everything else I need to get done, then I can at least start to do it on Monday. Maybe. I feel like I need to come up with a color scheme for this whole environment, because right now it's all over the place. And then another spot right here. Okay, after the, yeah, now we need to work on the, I've already worked on this.
Mission selection.
I want to work on the hard difficulty stuff.
Test mission 1. Gold medal and test mission 2. Gold medal and bonus objective. Test
I've already heard that too much.
gold medal and bonus objective complete.
Is this real? Where are you at?
Mission difficulty change to standard.
25% done. Well, this is the worst, so let's actually,
Mission difficulty change to normal.
I don't know, for some reason,
Mission objective.
it's just a lot of energy.
Power. 4th place. 5th place. 6th place.
Oops. I just boosted, so I can't see it. Oh, well, whatever.
Power max. Power max.
I don't like that.
Song at 96 and a half. 92 and a half. Editor exit. Cosmic. Song editor. 95 and 1. 90. Channel 4 is the real dot. Deleted.
That works better.
91. Editor exit. Power max.
That's really hard to read. Oh my gosh.
Editor exit.
This
Song
note
editor.
just comes
100,
out
112 and a half.
of nowhere. I'll just reverse
113
these.
and a half. 100,
This is
114
like,
and a half.
I don't know why I'm having a hard time with this track.
100, 100,
It should be like so easy to make something cool. Ooh, look, I'm only
106 and a half. 100,
only halfway filled out, and I don't even like what I have.
101, 100, 104 and a half.
I should put this on the wall. Right?
100 and a half. Editor exited. Cosmic. Song editor. Difficult. Save. 100. Editor exited. Cosmic. Song at 120 and 3 4. 100 and 1 half. 120. 128. 127. 123 and a half.
Look, high five. Maybe instead of going from zigzags buttons, you go from orange blue? Would be easier to predict.
120. 120 and a half.
Maybe.
112 and a half. Save. 100. Editor exited.
Yeah.
Cosmic. Song editor.
Well,
112 and a half.
so if I put this one on the left side of the track, you can actually see it
108 and a half.
coming up.
Cosmic. Song editor.
Just-
120. 120 and a half.
It's a little bit,
Save.
it's just not that exciting
100,
to
108 and a half. 104 and a half.
smash the same button over and over. I'm not too... I guess it looks cool.
Cosmic.
Oop, I need to do something different here.
126 and 122. Save. 100. Editor exit. Cosmic. Song editor. 124.
What can I do here that's so cool? I can
100. Set to 0.
make it go back and forth.
125. 127. 100. Delete. 120. 120. 120. 120. Editor exit. Song at 100. 120. 120. 125. Erase. 8. Set to -8.
Negative 8?
126. Erased. None. Erased. None. Erased. Set to 8. 100. Erased. 8. Set to -8. 120. Erased. 0. Set to 0.
I really want to redo how you have to author these lanes, because it's
120. Save.
very annoying, and it's not what I intend, but I'm not gonna have time to like
119 and a half.
improve it.
Editor exit.
God, why do I just
Place
hate that?
170%. Resi- Song edit. 125.
Why is the camera literally upside down? It just can't deal with the...
Set to -4. 120. 100. Erased. 4. Set to 4. 120. Set to -4.
Maybe is that better?
Cosmic, song at 100.
If you don't make the lines like sharp enough, then let's see. You can't autoplay through that, can you? Nope. Oh my god, I'm over. Okay, it didn't like to continue. Okay, that's fine. Everything's fine.
Pause menu. Sixth place,
Where is the
176%. Song editor. -4.5.
Cooperate game?
80.5. 116.5. Editor exit. Power max. Power max. Pause menu. Song editor. Difficult. Save.
This track is a mess, number one, and that is like distracting. It's too random. I need to put in a bunch of straight sections because it's too just like curvy and all over the place. But I don't want to right now.
Editor exit. Pause menu. Song editor. 148. 140 and a half. 132 and a half. 130.
Let's see.
Pause menu. Sixth place 177. Pause menu. Song editor. 137 and a half.
I don't want this.
138. 100. Set to 130. Erased. 4. Set to 4. 139 and a half. Deleted. 100 set to 136. 130. Exit. Pause menu. 136 and a half.
What? Oh, I didn't put the.
130. Exit. Pause menu.
That's not sharp enough.
138.
God, the camera is gonna
138 and a half. 130.
kill me.
137.
Why is it literally upside down?
100.
Why? It's literally spinning around. I think it's because it.
126 and a half.
Oh my god.
135.
I really need to fix this. Like, why are you like this camera?
130. 6. Set to 6.
6? How about that?
139 and a half. 6. Set to 6.
I don't know. I have, for some reason, this track is just gonna kill me. See, you can't see that coming up at all with this track. It needs to be straight, really. Like from this entire section. Just be straight, please. Wrong button.
Undoing control point at track. Pause menu. Sixth place 1 song editor.
It's
Track editor. Save.
problematic track. I need to interpolate the control points. Actually, it needs to be. Yeah. That's what I want.
Editor exit. Power max. Pause menu. Sixth place 178% speed. Track editor. Editor exit. Power max. Pause menu. Track editor.
My god. It's almost like a relief when you get out of this tunnel. You're like, what? Get me out of here.
Pause menu. Track editor.
Wrong editor.
152.
You need to be very dramatic. Why did I do it like that, though?
Undo increase zigzag size. Undo increase zigzag size. Undo increase 155 and a half to 152.
Is that correct?
150.
Is that symmetrical?
Cosmic song at 157.
Why are you...
157 and a half to 150. Save. Cosmic song editor. 161 and a half. 190.
Okay.
89 and a half. Editor exit.
I'm making it better. That's gotta count for something.
Fourth place. Fifth place. Sixth place.
This has gotta be straight,
Okay,
too.
track editor.
Otherwise, it's just weird. This section. Hi, from here to here. Be straight. Oh,
Undo make clear.
from here to here. Be straight and have the same angle, please. Right angle here. That one.
Save.
Okay, is that good?
Sixth place.
Better.
Pause menu. 6th place 178% speed. World editor.
This one. It would almost be weird to have
Environment menu. Holodeck geometric environment
to
button.
use
Press
this
enter to activate.
environment. It's like it's too
Environment menu.
nice
BBGS
and
button.
shiny.
Press BBGS button. Press enter to activate.
It's got to be gross. Maybe if I style the track a bit, I'll be happier.
Components geometric track. Material menu. Flat glass button. Press enter to activate. Save. Autoplay on. 2 and a half. 10 and a half. Enter activity. 4th place. Pause menu. 20, 37, 41, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, 90. Enter activity.
Well, that looks like a mess right now. That's fine. Pretty sure this is all copied and pasted. I don't even like it. Whatever. Yeah, I just copied and pasted that twice.
Pause menu. 243 and a half. 243. 243 and a half. 200 enter activity. Song edit 243 and a half. 243 and a half. 243. 243 and a half.
Note.
Save.
That doesn't make sense, but
240 enter activity. Pause menu. Song editor. 267 and a half.
that's a problem.
Save.
Right? Why am I using
267.
that there? Like, you drift off, you drift away from this, so you
Save.
can't even hit it. Whatever.
200 save. Enter activity. Pause menu. Song edit 200.
So, we'll just do one of those.
Hold duration 1. Difficulty 33.705. Enter activity. Pause menu. Song edit 268.
I'm gonna copy the rest of this from Medium to give me like something to work with.
Mission selection. Grid conditions. Mission performance.
That was a weird sound.
Loading mission. Mission objective. 268 and a half. 268. 267 and a half. 268. 272. 462 to 260. Editor X. Mission selection. Grid conditions. Mission difficulty change multi. Loading mission. Mission objective. Finish in first place. Pause menu. Song editor. Difficult. -4 and a half. 460.
Nope.
206. 206. Pasted 277 notes. 200. Enter activity. Pause menu. Song edit. 200.
I know that some of y'all would make these short holds.
195 and a half. 1/8.
You do that.
Hold duration 1/8. 295 and 3/4.
Excuse me?
Undo edit hold duration 290. 295.
Did you see that?
Hold duration 1/8.
Oh, because, okay. I wonder if that... I'm in an audio mode, and so the hold length is being,
295 and 7/8. 295 and a half. 295 and 5/8. Hold duration 1/8.
1/8? What? Excuse me. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I think the display is just wrong here.
296 and 5/8.
Mukai 5. You set a minimum hold length for audio cues modes. Right.
Yeah, but it's affecting stuff in the editor.
200 hold duration 0.
You know what? Why can't I not set hold on this?
Hold duration 1/8. 200 hold duration 1/8. 200 hold duration 1/8. 209 hold duration 1/8. 200 hold duration 1/8. 209 hold duration 1/8. Save. 200 enter activity. Power max. Pause menu. Song editor. 209 283 and a half.
Oh well.
207 207
I will-
200 1/2. 1/4. 206
see what it's like in the standard modes later.
Pause it. 270.
Clearly, I can do something else here.
279 and 3/4. Hold duration 1/4. 280 and a half. Delete. 200. Hold duration 1. 280 and a half. 200. Hold duration 1/4.
Oh, and that's affecting these too.
Save.
Oh, that's really weird and annoying.
Editor. Song editor. 200.
Well, I don't.
Hold duration 56.
No,
Hold duration 1. 200.
that's fine.
281.
This should be
Hold
this.
duration 1/2. 281 and a half. Deleted. 280. Hold duration 1/2. 278. Save. Editor exit. Pause it. Song editor. 279. Save. 275 and 3/4.
This section isn't going to be that hard in any difficulty, so I guess I shouldn't worry about it that much.
Editor exit. Pause it. Song editor.
Obviously here I can put
300 1/4 1/2. 302 and a half. 300 300 and a half. 300.
I can okay, here we go.
200 260 260 260
1, 2, 3, 4.
284 206 280 283 and a half.
All of it. Copy all of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
300
What if I just paste it on top of that? What the heck happens? A mess?
312 and a half. 300 and
That's fine.
306 305 and a half. 300 editor exit. Pause it. Song editor. 309 300 and editor exit. Song editor. 312 and a half. 313 and a half. 312 and a half.
Maybe I have to make a mess to make something nice. Wow.
Pause it. Song editor. 327 and a half. Save.
What is going on here?
315 and a half. 300 exit. Power song at 308 307 300 editor exit. Pause it. Song at 316.
Okay, just move that over.
317. 318.
That can be there.
Save. 304 editor exit. Pause it. Song at
What are these on?
320 and a half.
Excuse?
300 delete 320 309 editor exit. Song editor. 320 322 and a half. 323. 300 324. 325. 326. 326 and a half.
Why is that?
326. 322. Difficulty. Save. 300 editor exit.
Why is this here?
320.
Go away.
300 editor exit. Pause it. 327 and a half.
I have pasted some weird shit.
Save. 320. 300.
That's fine.
331. 331.
Oh.
332. 331 and a half. 331. 330.
Oh wait, no.
306. 206 editor exit.
This is fine.
Power max. Pause it. 300.
Well.
320. 300. 3 editor exit. Pause it. 327 and a half. 328.
Could do one of these.
320. 330. Hold duration.
Spinny.
300.
And around and around.
320. Editor exit. Pause it. Song it.
Let's do a little more spinny so we can see where it ends.
300. Editor exit. Pause it. Song editor. Difficult.
Okay, that was exciting.
331 and a half. 330.
I don't think I care about the rest of this medium stuff.
0 to 332.
Nope, wrong way.
462 to 330. Selectively difficult. 400. 3 editor exit. Pause it. Song editor. 331 and a half. 330. 300. 206. 260. 200. 1 half. 300. 200. 300. 331. 1 half. Pasted 42. Editor exit. Pause it. 331 and a half. 332.
Oop, wow. Went all the way around. That's interesting.
333, 334, 335, 336, 332, 330,
I should be using the audio scrubbing because there's a
play menu. Toggle audio scrubbing enabled.
there's
330,
still some bugs I need to catch. Trying to decide which side I want to do this on.
334, 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 335, 339. Undo edit mode. 335, 320. Edit active. Pause menu. Song edit. 340.
That's decent. What did I do?
341.
I'm trying to edit notes here. Not cooperating.
342. 342 and a half. 342. 338. 330. Pause menu. Song edit. 343 and a half. 344. 343. 343. 343 and a half. 344. 345. 346. 342.
I'm not trying to make this too hard.
Pause menu. Song editor. 348.
That's fine.
Difficult. Save. 340. 348. 349. 350. 346. Save. 340. Editor. Pause menu. Song editor.
I love when I miss an autoplay. What's to say? Okay. I'd hit F2. Okay.
343 and a half. Editor. Pause menu. Song edit. 352. 350.
Throw in some of these.
355. 356.
God, sometimes it just
357.
it's so laggy in this
357,
mode.
358.
Sometimes it just does not do anything when you hit a button.
Difficult.
I don't like it.
300 and editor exit. Pause menu. Song editor. 359 and 360. Editor exited. Pause menu. 306. 361. 362. 363. 359. Difficult.
Okay. What have I done? Let's
280.
recap. I don't even want to play this part. That must...
Sixth place.
If I don't even want to play it, it probably isn't a very good part. So I need to do something else. I like this. But I want it to be more... Since it's only hard, it's not... Yeah, that reads nicer. I'm hitting the wrong button. What side is that on?
130.
Oh, it starts on the right side.
126. Editor exit. Autoplay off.
That is so hard to read at low speeds. Don't like it. This stuff can just choke. I don't like it.
Autoplay off.
Wow.
Mukai 5. Yes, speed changes are notoriously difficult to do well.
Well, this is fun at least. Okay,
Pause menu.
I'm
Is 172%. Please save.
so happy with that. I'm gonna call this 32% done. I have to work on that more later. I can't do it. So what is next? Peak. I think Peak also has a ton of copy paste. The issue with these repetitive tracks is they're
Verifications. All for default. Selected. Test
the
menu.
hardest ones to do are repetitive ones.
Main menu.
Oh,
Arcade button. Arcade. Press left and right.
let's go to arcade.
100. Young Jaguar.
Peak, 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 peak.
Held in.
I really need a search function in here. Every time I come in here and I like try to find
Slash.
a track, I'm like, wow, I wish I could
Press enter to start to escape to go back.
sort or search, but then I never do it. Probably sucks really hard for blind people.
Rank 1.
Mukai 5. Page up slash down would be a nice stopgap.
Oh, I hate this already. Oh yeah. I literally never even thought about doing page up and down.
15 and a half. 14 and a half.
I hate this right off the bat.
Enter active.
And I'm pretty sure I copied and pasted this through this entire track. Oh, I don't like it one bit.
Pause menu. Song editor. Difficulty. 28.7811. Editor activity.
Oh, I don't like it.
Pause menu. Song editor.
Okay, what did I...
72 and a half. 76 and a half. 80 and a half. 70. Editor activity.
I'm kind of fine with this. This is okay. Look at the car disappearing under the track.
Song editor. 80s. 78. Editor activity.
Because the track's polygons are too big, so it's like encroaching on the car.
Pause menu. Song editor.
There's nothing.
157.
I don't know, you guys.
Editor activity.
Why is there a cloud in the track? Yeah, this is not.
Song editor.
Wow, there's so much work to do on this one. I called it 35% done. No, you are 25% done. How about that?
Editor activity. Quit. Arcade. Press left and right to select your track.
I can't work on it right now.
Free. Edit.
I don't have the patience.
Arcade.
So I'm gonna look at cellophane. I think
Medium difficult.
I might actually really like this one.
Race options. Press enter to start course.
In fact, I'm gonna race,
Live expert. Rival. Mode selection. Selected.
and I'm gonna
Press
try
left
to
and right
win.
change. Loading track.
Let me see if I've actually filled this one in.
Mukai 5. Yes, Cellophane is the most interesting of the DLC tracks Imo.
Yeah, I like it a lot. I'm glad that I found it.
Song editor.
Yeah, I filled this.
32.733.
Have I? I don't know. Let me see what I've done. I don't.
Song editor.
What? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, that was hard to read. Oh my gosh.
7th place.
I don't know if I'm gonna keep that.
8th place.
Well, I'm not gonna win this race. This is so awkward on keyboard. Well, I'm not winning this race.
Power pass.
Oops. This is a mess. My playing, that is. I actually like this so far. I think this is just copied and pasted now. Yep, totally copied and pasted all this. It's not perfect.
Pause menu. 8th place 100.
It's okay. I don't know what I can improve. I'm at that point where I'm like running out of energy for doing stuff. So,
Results. Success. 8th place. Arcade. Press left and right to
let's see.
Modify difficult.
And then there's When You're Away. I want to make these all fun, and so right now that one's more awkward than fun. It's kind of what I aim at for hard difficulty, is that it should really be like fun, just fun, not super challenging, and fun to do in races as well. And that's just a little bit awkward.
Shelter. Last. Wretched height. Element.
Oops.
Element. Dublin. Dell solution rate 30. X. Wretched height. When you're away. Race options.
I don't know what this one looks like.
Vertical menu with 4 items. Rival gym. Mode selection. Selected. C.
Let's find out. I don't know where I've left off.
Good place. Rank 1. 4th place.
I can do upside down racing.
2nd place. 3rd place. 4th place. 5th place.
When the camera is zoomed out, my timing goes out the window. Yeah, again, this is just like awkward. Oh my god.
8th place 124%. Autoplay
I
on.
can't even.
Autoplay on.
I need to just get it to where it's not like awkward anymore.
Pause menu.
And then this is not even.
163 and a half. Enter exit.
Pretty sure I just copied and pasted this
Power max.
for the rest of this entire. That was not how that's supposed to work. Yep, awkward.
Power max.
Yeah, this needs a lot of work.
Song editor. 368.
I almost think this one should slow down at the end. Kind of silly though.
Insert new speed change. Tap the new value. Set to 0.5. Say
Be
364.
very dramatic.
Editor exit.
You can't even notice it.
Song
Oh
editor.
well. Ugh, I have not even close to made it to 2 hours, and I'm already like tired. Well, I was kind of thinking about if I wanted to easily add another track, I could take Hardcase and put it in as well, and it would just need to be like revamped a bit. And so, because that's a track that I already have, that's already like has all 5 difficulties, I could just like update the environment and the track and the patterns a little bit. So I was considering doing that. That'd be an easy way to get like 6 tracks in the in this pack instead of 5. And then that would be a lot more value. But I'd have to come up with a whole other mission idea. And I don't even have I know vaguely what I'm doing for missions, but not really. But I do want to have a repeatable mission. I think it's going to be like a gambling thing where you pay some credits to race and then earn back or lose credits based on how well you do. So I think that'll be fun, and people want a way to just get credits and just grind them out, and so I think that would be a fun way to do it. Wow, and I haven't even really started on Extreme, but I think if I give myself one whole week to just
Mukai 5. Yeah, maybe. You could have it roll different stage hazards too.
maybe, yeah, I was thinking, or it could just be racing, but I was wondering if it could have different different types of races. I don't know. Well, we'll see what I have, time to do. But yeah, I was gonna give myself a whole week just to finish all of this. And it's really not, it really just takes time. I really just want to make everything really fun and not awkward. A lot of this stuff is really awkward right now. And that takes a really long time with the extreme difficulty, just to make stuff that's challenging but not like so awkward. That's usually my goal, I guess. I don't know if I always make it, but we'll see. So I'm gonna give myself a whole week to do 3D artwork, environment like art stuff, a whole another week to do this, and then I'm wondering if I can finish like the story and all the mission mechanics in another week, but I don't know. That sounds questionable, kind of. I would really like to just get this done, and so I mean, I really want to like see, put it up for sale and see how well it does, and see how good this is gonna do for me. Because if it does well, then I could do like try to push out another pack a month or something. That would be ideal. As well as I did want to make the whole rest of the game, turn it into packs, and just make the game free to play. That was the that was the kind of long-term goal here. But we'll see. I don't know. It's a lot of work. Everything's so much work. Everything takes time. And that's like the most annoying thing. I almost wish, like, if I could just work 10 times faster, that would be really good, right? So why don't I just do that? But it doesn't work like that. Well, I've made it an hour and 40 minutes. That's usually all I
Look, high
can
five.
stand.
That's pretty ambitious, TBH. Even fully staffed games can struggle with that pace.
Yeah. It's, right. So I think it's if I like scoped down a lot, like if I decided not to do any more features and things, then I could do it. But with this, I really wanted, you see how all the new features make the game just look so much more appealing and interesting to look at? I want that. So when I post gameplay like on Reddit or Twitter or wherever, everyone's seen like 500 rhythm games that all look exactly the same, right? You've seen it. And so I want to show something that just no one has ever seen before, which I hopefully I'm doing, maybe kind of a little bit. I'm trying anyway. So if I can get these features
Look, high five. The
working.
visual designs are what make this game stand out for sure, but it adds a lot of work on the chart author's end.
Yeah, and that's another thing. It's just if I didn't have to do any of this track design and graphics and blah blah blah, it would be so much easier to push out content. But like, how boring would the game be? It wouldn't be unique or all that fun. So anyway, I think that's it for today for this little stream. Thanks for coming by, whoever did, Dinkster, Muke, Grim, I don't
Look,
know.
high five. Agreed.
Let me type. Thanks. See you next week, probably. So yeah,
Sequence Storm. Thanks. See you next week.
we'll see. See how fast I can get this
Look, high
stuff
five.
done.
Good stream. See y'all.
Yeah, bye.